crunchy, zesty fried chicken, airy buttermilk waffles topped with spicy maple syrup. It's gonna impress even your most seasoned brunch goers. My tip to the best fried chicken is buttermilk. It's acidic, but not too acidic, and it tenderizes the meat perfectly. And I like to add my own personal touch with some hot sauce and Worcestershire sauce. I'm using chicken thighs, boneless, skin on, and I love them because they're packed with flavor and super affordable, so you can entertain with these real easily. I'm gonna get these all tucked in here under the buttermilk. I'm gonna pop these into the fridge, and the more in advance you can make these, the better. That chicken's gonna get even more tender. And here's a batch I made earlier. Time to make that crunchy, zesty coating for these birds. It starts with just a little flour. And I love cornmeal for this because it's gonna add that nice texture, an extra little crunch. And Southern cooking is all about that smoky heat, starting with smoky paprika and cayenne. Dry mustard adds a nice tangy heat. It's so good. Garlic, of course. And marjoram, which is gonna add a really light floral note. Look at this, it's so pretty. Now that's a lot of flavor in one bowl. This is gonna get really messy, so I like to push these dishes together. The buttermilk gets this coating to cling to the chicken, and the double dipping is gonna definitely get a crispy, crunchy batter. This is ready for the oil. Does this look appetizing or what? Now, I need to get these warm, but I gotta sneak a bite. Just cutting through that, did you hear that crunch? Look at that. Oh, wow. Now that is some pretty good chicken, if I do say so myself. It's crispy, spicy, crunchy. So good.